In this video, I'll be showing you how to set layers for 3D objects. This can be very helpful whenever you're dealing with a bunch of complex objects that can slow down your computer and prevent it from crashing. The first thing you want to do is go up to your layer properties, which will open up this box, and you can click on the new layer tab. You can then take and name your layer and add attributes to it. In this window, I'm taking and giving each of the 3D objects its own layer. You can change the colors, you can change the line types, but for right now I'm just adding the name of the object and changing its layer color. After you have all of your layers created, putting each object on its own layer is as simple as double clicking on it, choosing the layer drop down window, and you should see the layers that you created. Whenever you click on that, the object will take the attributes of the layer that you chose. Remember to hit escape after changing one object, or the next object will automatically go on to the previous layer.